Hi, this is Courtney Rosen, owner and broker of MHN Property Management here in the San Antonio metro area. We cover up to Bernie, New Braunfels, Seguin, St. Hedwig, so a lot of options for great property management for you, and really looking forward to finding those sweet spots for investments and keeping our eye out. But today I'm going to be talking to you about mid-year reports. So most of our houses are cycling in the summer. We do that intentionally so that we are maximizing the profit over the lifespan of the investment. But some of our houses also cycle in winter. You know, everything rents, we'll make it happen. But what happens is that we have a third party go out partway through the lease, and we have it kind of scheduled so when it's heavier with move-ins and move-outs, it's gonna be lighter with the mid-year reviews, and then my staff is kind of gonna switch gears, and now we're gonna have more mid-year reviews. So you're gonna be getting, most likely, if you're cycling in the summer, if not, you're gonna get the opposite, but we're about to get heavy in the season of mid-year reviews. We send out a third-party company. It helps to say that, hey, we weren't biased, you know, it's just someone coming out and taking pictures. Also, if we tell tenants that we're coming out, they might try to hide things a little bit more. And they're gonna look for lease compliance, make sure your smoke detectors are up to date, check for deferred maintenance, and make sure we see how the tenant is living in the house. They'll check for leaks underneath the sink, all of these things, and then we review them here in-house. You'll get an email stating, this is what we're holding the tenant accountable for, this is what we're doing on your behalf, and here's some deferred maintenance you might want to keep your eyes out on, and knowing that it's coming up. So you'll be seeing it soon if you haven't already and you haven't gotten your first one, but it's about to be mid-year report time. It's one of the many ways that we use our time and our efforts, and we contract with other companies to make sure that we're providing the best service and protection for your investment. This is Courtney Rosen signing off, and MHN Property Management here in the San Antonio, New Braunfels metro area.